Curiosity is something of a superpower that allows you to focus on what really matters so that you can have more impact. But what's really powerful is to stay curious a little bit longer. If you don't know how to use questions well, your questions don't work. I'm Michael Bungay Stanier. I am the author of The Coaching Habit, the best-selling book on coaching and asking great questions of the 21st century. And in this lecture, I want to give you the best ways to stay curious just a little bit longer. We're going to cover some really practical stuff. The 3 best questions. These are questions that you can start adding into your conversations right away. But not just the questions, I want to show you how to ask a question so it really lands. I want to show you how to listen to the answer so you really understand what's going on. It's practical, it's interactive, and if you're curious, and I hope you are, I'll see you inside.